Hi student, my name is Johnson. Welcome to my video tonight. In this video we will test out virtual environment. So we are going to use the Windows interface. So stay tuned. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, jstanleytech.com. Alright folks, let's get started. By the way folks, if you find this video helpful, feel free to give me a like, comment or a share. You can also follow my videos still on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you so much. In this scenario, we're going to first of all configure the screensaver settings as follows. So as you can see, this is the Windows 7 interface. So to configure the screensaver, I'll go ahead and right click, personalize. So let me maximize so that we see what we are doing. Click on screensaver and then set screensaver to bubble. So select bubble, and they want 10 minutes for waiting time. 10 minutes. That's it. Click apply and OK. And then you can exit out of the control panel. Alright. So let's scroll to the next task of the assignment. Set default printer as follows. Set the default printer. You need to go to start, click the start. Then you need to look for devices and printers. You could also look it through control panel by right clicking network and sharing, and then select control panel, maximize, then view by small categories, and you look for devices and printers. It's pretty much is devices and printers, system security, hardware and sounds, devices and printers. So it's pretty much this one they want to. So you can right click and set as a default. So you notice that when I set as default, a green check mark is shown, which pretty much means that we've selected it as a default printer. So I go ahead and again exit out of the control panel, and then I proceed disable network adapter as follows. To disable network adapter, go to the right corner, and then right click the network icon and select network and sharing center. Maximize, see what we are doing, and then to the left corner, select change adapter setting, and then this is what we want to disable. Right click and then click disable. You notice that when I click disable, a red check mark shows that it's already disabled. So pretty much close out of this, proceed to the next assignment, which is use the file explorer to manage files and folders. So pretty much you can go to the start menu, computer, maximize, and we want to go to D drive. So you can either scroll here, select D drive, or just click it away right from here, and we are supposed to go in report, double click, archive, double click, and we are interested in 2012, this one, and we are supposed to delete it. So to delete this file, right click and then delete. So you get a warning saying, hey, are you sure you want to remove this file? So since you want to delete, so go ahead and click yes. So time you click yes, it removes out from this folder. And then go ahead and exit out of this. Change the boot timeout to as follows. Start menu. To change the boot timeout, you go to the start menu and type msc config, which is pretty much a command to open the Microsoft configuration. So when you click enter, and then you should be able to get this tab here. So when you click on boot, you can change the timeout to 15 minutes, pretty much 50 seconds, sorry, and click apply and okay. And then we're going to use the administrative tools for to restrict the CD-ROM to access the OS. So the start menu, click all programs, click administrative tools, local security policy, double click. By the way, folks, if you find this video helpful, give me a like and share. Local security policies, expand local policies, security options, double click, and maximize this Windows what you're working on. We are interested in restricting device CD-ROM to access local lockdown. So device CD-ROM is right here. Device restrict CD-ROM. You can either double click or you can right click properties. Then you get you can enable or disable. So we are supposed to enable it. Click apply and then click OK. Exit out of this and save it. Use the computer management to enable device as follows. So we are supposed to enable the network adapter Riotech 8169. So this is done through device manager. To get the device manager in Windows 7, folks, click the start menu, right click computers, properties. Let me expand so to see what we're working on. I think start menu, right click computers, manage, and here's the device manager, double click and expand the network adapters. So you realize that Riotech 8169 is disabled. So to enable it, right click and enable. So you see that now the arrow disappears, meaning it's enabled. To check if this is enabled, right click properties, and then the device status should show that the device is working properly. So exit out of this, and we are going to create a system restore point. So go to the start menu, right click computers, properties, and expand to what you're working on. Click on system protection and then click on create. So we're going to give it any name you want. For my case, I can name it JJ. Click create, and you realize that we are creating a system restore point, and the restore point was successfully created. Click close out of this, and then I think we're kind of almost done. Use the command prompt to create a temporary directory. So to go to the command prompt in Windows 7, click the start menu and then type cmd, which is command prompt, then click enter. So this is the command prompt interface. Can maximize if you want. So enter cd backslash, click enter to open another directory, and then md temp, open another directory, and then this command display the directory you've created, so which pretty much this one, and exit out of that, and click done to see how you've done pretty much in your assignment. So as you can see, we've scored 100%, which pretty much is good for this wrap. Task summary, we've configured the screensaver using the bubble and the delay time of 10 minutes, and we set the printer this name as a default printer. We disabled the network adapter, deleted the report using File Explorer, changed the boot time to 15 minutes, enabled device restrict CD-ROM access, re-enabled network adapter, created the restore point for system C drive, and created folder named temp at the root of C drive using the command prompt. So, and then this pretty much the procedure through which we went through to achieve this assignment. And I do believe this marks the end of this lab. Hey folks there, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment or share, and you can also subscribe or follow me on my Facebook page, jstanleytech.com. Thanks. Hope to see you in the next video.